Hello, this is Jennifer. Welcome to our next lesson about countries and nationalities. Today we will meet people around the world and know the meaning of each flag. United States. There you have the USA flag, which has three colors: red, white, and blue. She is from the United States. She is American. Mexico. There you have the flag of Mexico. It is a vertical tricolor of green, white, and red. He is from Mexico. He is Mexican. Honduras. This is the flag of Honduras with two colors, blue and white, and the 5 stars represent the Central American countries. He is from Honduras. He is Honduran. El Salvador. A horizontal triband of cobalt blue and white with a national coat of arms centered on the white band. As you can observe in this picture, this group of children, they are from El Salvador. They are Salvadoran. Peru. According to the article of the Constitution of Peru, it is a vertical triband with red outer bands and a single white middle band. He is from Peru. He is Peruvian. Cuba. The national flag of Cuba consists of 5 alternative stripes, 3 blue and 2 white, and a red equatorial triangle with a star. They are from Cuba. They are Cubans. Australia. The flag has 3 elements on a blue background: the Union Jack, the Commonwealth Star, and the Southern Cross. In this picture, we can observe this girl that is from Australia. She is from Australia. She is Australian. Brazil. In the Brazil flag, the stars represent the constellations and show how they were seen from Rio de Janeiro during the early hours of the morning of November 15. In this picture, we can observe that this kid is from Brazil. The nationality is Brazilian. He is Brazilian. China. The flag in a Chinese red field. We can see this flag that has 5 golden stars. They are from China. They are Chinese. Colombia. We can observe that this flag has three colors: yellow, blue, and red. She is from Colombia. She is Colombian. Costa Rica. This flag has 5 horizontal bands of blue, white, red, white, and blue. She is from Costa Rica. She is Costa Rican. Finland. The blue coloring represents the country thousand of lakes and the sky, with white for the snow that covers the land in winter. She is from Finland. She is Finnish. Japan. The national flag of Japan is a rectangular white banner bearing a crimson red at its center. She is from Japan. She is Japanese. Lebanon. The flag of Lebanon represents 2 horizontal red stripes. They are from Lebanon. They are Lebanese. Poland. The flag of Poland consists of 2 horizontal stripes of equal, the upper one white and the lower one is red. He is from Poland. He is Polish. Chile. He is from Chile. He is Chilean. He is from Greece. He is Greek. France. This flag has 3 colors: blue, white, and red. He is from France. He is French. Malaysia. This flag is composed of a field of 14 alternative red and white stripes along the flag and a blue canton bearing a crescent. This girl is from Malaysia. She is Malaysian. Thank you for watching this video.